It's hard to choose the right business structures if you don't know all of the options available. So today we'll cover the majority of the structures that are most commonly used. There's a lot, so let's get started. For those that are just joining us today, my name is Puppy, a serial entrepreneur with first-hand experience on how to simplify the processes of forming and running a business. Before we get into the main subject for today, I would like to introduce today's sponsor, Alpine Law. Alpine Law is the go-to legal team that gives the whole picture point of view with sound legal advice on everything from formation, equity questions, acquisitions, tax, and so much more. So head over to their website or follow the link that I have provided in the description below for a quick 15-minute free call to see if they can help you like they have helped me and countless others. The easiest way to identify all of the business structures would just be to list them and go through them one by one. So here they are: sole proprietor, LLC, and corporations. There's other things that can be added to these, such as DBA, or doing business as, and tax elections like S Corp and nonprofits. A number of other structures and add-ons exist, but they are specialized for complicated situations that require professional legal advice to get into. Conducting business as a sole proprietor means there are no barriers between you and the liabilities of your business. So if the liabilities of the business get out of hand or there is a lawsuit that happens, you stand to lose all of your personal assets in addition to the business assets. There is no paperwork to get started or company structure distinguishing you from the business activities you are conducting. An EIN or tax identification number is not required, as your Social Security number is sufficient until employees are hired. And you must operate under your own name unless a DBA is utilized. Limited liability company, or LLC, and corporation structures are legal business entities that, when correctly established, stand apart from their owners. They have their own rules, tax implications, and legal treatment. These structures can provide favorable liability protection, management structuring, tax treatment, financial structuring, and many other benefits. LLCs are by far the most common due to their simplicity and flexibility. However, this high degree of flexibility allows them to get complicated very quickly. It is recommended that you seek legal advice when selecting your business structure. A DBA, which stands for doing business as, is not a business structure in and itself, but allows the owning entity to conduct business under another name. The owning entity could be anything, including a sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation. An example of this would be Mr. Bob operating as a sole proprietor, utilizing a DBA to conduct business as Company XYZ. There is no business structure called Company XYZ, it's just Bob calling a sole proprietorship something else. Everything associated with operating as a sole proprietorship, such as taxes and liabilities, still apply. The only difference is that the company is called a different name. S corporations and nonprofits are tax elections chosen for the business structure of an LLC or corporation. Depending on a number of factors, these tax elections can provide favorable tax treatment, financial structuring, or access to other benefits during or after their formation. If you found today's video informative, subscribe to my channel and click the notifications icon to stay up to date with all the new releases. Reach out to me if you have general questions and need some guidance. I can help where I can. If you have specific business legal questions, my longtime sponsor, Alpine Law, has provided a link in the description for a free 15-minute introduction call to see if their law firm is best suited to assist. Till then, have a wonderful day.